For quick and dead simple transfers of everything from your vacation photos to your sales spreadsheets, keeping a flash drive or 3 around is a smart idea. The best USB flash drives remain one of the easiest ways to move your data. One of the most crucial considerations when choosing the right drive is figuring out how much capacity you need. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Kingston Digital 8GB USB flash drive. This Data Traveler Vault Privacy 3.0 USB flash drive provides affordable business-grade security with 256-bit AES hardware-based encryption in XTS mode. It protects 100% of data stored and enforces complex password protection with minimum characteristics to prevent unauthorized access. For additional peace of mind, the drive locks down and reformats after 10 intrusion attempts. It also features a read-only access mode to avoid potential malware risks. All your data is protected by hardware encryption, so no one can access your data without knowing the password. Another advantage is that this drive is available in antivirus Model 2 to keep data safe from viruses, spyware, trojans, worms, rootkits, adware, and other internet-borne threats. Up next on the list, we have the Corsair CMF SS3B flash drive. It offers read speeds up to 4 times faster than traditional USB 2.0 drives. It's fast enough to view most videos directly from your flash Survivor Stealth without having to take the usual extra step of copying it to a hard drive first. This drive works with Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, and even Linux without drivers, and there's no software to install. Another advantage is that the anodized aircraft-grade aluminum housing of this drive is waterproof to 200 meters, vibration-resistant, and shock-resistant. Plus, it is protected from vibration or impact damage through the use of a molded shock-damping collar. Store up to 64 gigabytes of files in a compact package with the Kingston Data Traveler SE9 G2 USB 3.0 flash drive. Its stylish, capless design means there's no cap to lose, and its ultra-small form factor fits any lifestyle. It offers fast USB 3.0 speeds to save time when transferring, sharing, or storing files. Besides, the durable, top-selling metal casing design and sturdy keyring can be customized by adding your logo and digital files to promote your organization or brand. For convenience, this drive is backward compatible with USB 2.0 systems. Additionally, it is backed by a 5-year warranty, free technical support, and the legendary reliability that makes Kingston the memory leader. The Corsair Flash Voyager GT USB 3.0 takes advantage of the performance of USB 3.0 with up to 8 times the speed of a typical USB 2.0 flash drive. But even when used on a USB 2.0 port, it's one of the fastest on the market. Its unique all-rubber housing is extremely durable, water-resistant, and drop-tested for worry-free transport of your valuable data. Unlike traditional storage media, flash drives are solid-state, so they can easily handle everyday and not-so-everyday drops and bumps that come with the territory. And because accidents happen, Flash Voyager GT USB 3.0 is water-resistant. Just plug it in, and it works with Windows, Mac OS X, and even Linux. Receive a solid-state drive performance on a flash drive with the 256GB Extreme Pro USB 3.2 Gen 1 solid-state flash drive from SanDisk. This plug-and-play flash drive features a USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface, supporting data read speeds of up to 420 megabytes per second and data write rates of up to 380 megabits per second, making it easy to manage large files including 4K multimedia content, photos, documents, and much more. It comes with SanDisk Secure Access software, offering 128-bit file encryption, while the downloadable Rescue Pro Deluxe Data Recovery tool assists in recovering accidentally deleted files. Another advantage is that it is backward compatible with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports. With the 128GB iXpand flash drive from SanDisk, you can easily store and manage your photos and videos right from your iOS device using the iXpand Drive app. It's designed with a flexible connector to fit through most iPhone cases. It automatically backs up photos and videos from your camera or contacts. This drive supports video formats MP4 and MOV video formats as supported in iOS. DRM-protected content cannot be streamed, and the operating temperature of 0 to 35 degrees Celsius is functional. The drive also includes password protection software to keep your sensitive files secure across your devices. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.